Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. Today's opportunities are actually very solid because one role is from a company almost everyone knows, that is Rolls-Royce, and second one is a startup based on AI. And trust me, both are fresher friendly, so make sure you watch this video till the end because one of these internship can seriously boost your resume a lot. Let's start with the first opportunity, and this one is from Rolls-Royce Power Systems, and they are hiring for the role of software development and data science intern. Location is Pune, and it's an in-office internship for freshers. Now see, whenever people hear Rolls-Royce, most immediately think about luxury cars, but this role is actually under Rolls-Royce Power Systems, where they work on advanced engineering systems, analytics, automation, and intelligent industrial technologies. So this is not just a random internship where they will give you a boring documentation work. You will actually work on real technical systems. Now coming to the work, in this internship you will be working on software development plus data science together, which is a strong combination right now because companies don't only want coding anymore, they want people who can build tools, automate workflows, analyze data, and generate insights from systems. And this is exactly what this internship focuses on. You will be working on analytics solutions, automation tasks, predictive maintenance systems, dashboards, and engineering tools. One interesting thing here is that they also mention developing Windows based tools using C Sharp. So, even if you know Python mainly, having some exposure to software development concept will help a lot. Apart from that, they are looking for people who understand data analysis and visualization. They mention tools and technologies like Python, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, PySpark, and Azure Databricks. Now listen carefully. Don't get scared saying all these skills. For internship, company usually don't expect you to know everything perfectly. They mainly want candidates who are curious and already have some basic exposure through projects. Even if you only know Python, SQL, and basic data analysis, and maybe one visualization tool like Power BI, you can still apply. And if you are from computer science, IT, data science, AI, or related engineering branches, then this role becomes even more relevant for you. And now, another good thing is that this internship duration is 6 months, and generally, longer internship help much more because you actually get enough time to work on real projects instead of only onboarding and training. Also, based on estimates, stipend can go around 40,000 rupees per month, which is honestly very decent for a fresher internship. And imagine adding Rolls-Royce on your resume, that itself becomes a strong value addition. Now let's move to the second opportunity, and this one is from Gyrus AI, and they are hiring for the role of AI Test Engineer Intern. Location is Shimoga, Karnataka, and they also mentioned work from home flexibility and no experience is required. Salary range is around 4 to 6 LPA, which is very good to go. Now, this role is actually very interesting because it mixes AI with testing and multimedia systems. Most people only focus on AI developer roles, but few understand that companies also need engineers who can test, validate, and improve AI systems properly, especially in areas like video analytics, computer vision, multimedia intelligence, and AI based automation. And that's exactly what this company works on. So, in this internship, you will be working closely with engineering teams on AI and ML. You will be working closely with the engineering team on AI and ML systems related to video analytics. You will help test AI models, validate outputs, create testing frameworks using Python, and work on multimedia applications involving audio, image, and videos. Now, honestly speaking, this role can become very valuable for people interested in AI engineering or ML operations because testing AI systems is completely different from normal software testing. You are validating whether AI models are giving correct outputs, whether video analytics systems are behaving properly, whether multimedia processing is accurate, and models are reliable in real world situations or not. And companies working on AI products seriously need people for this. Now, skills they mentioned include Python, software testing, OpenCV, PyTorch, LLMs, and video analytics multimedia system. Again, don't panic seeing the list. If you already know Python and have basic understanding of AI or computer vision projects, you can definitely try. Even students who have built OpenCV project or experimented with AI tools can apply. And one more thing I liked here is that they also mentioned potential full-time conversion after the internship. That's always a good sign. So yeah guys, these were the two different opportunities. So make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.